how can my mindset help me to succeed in life? It doesn't take a genius to work out that someone with a negative, defeative mindset is going to find it pretty hard to achieve success in life. We all know someone like that, don't we? Someone full of scepticism, someone who second guesses absolutely everything and does nothing but criticise, condemn and complain about everyone and everything around them. A negative mindset will dampen anything productive before it can ignite anything. How would a person like this even recognise their success or new opportunities if they jumped out in front of them? Exactly, they wouldn't, because they put a negative spin on everything. These are not good people to be around. They absolutely suck the energy out of us. So why would you want to be one? Particularly if your mindset has a tendency to lean towards the negative at times. So listening to someone bitch and moan constantly about how terrible everything isn't good for our own state of mind. Doubts about our own abilities and successes can come creeping in, and before we know it, we're thinking just like those negative nannies. So everything is bad, nothing will go right for us, we won't succeed. So having a positive mindset is crucial if you want to achieve your life goals, and luckily you can cultivate this mindset yourself as long as you're ready to open your mind up to new ways of thinking. So how can you put your mind on the path to success? So here are 8 of my favourite ways how to do this. So number 1, choose a growth mindset. That's your choice. You can choose to have a growth mindset or a fixed one. So having a growth mindset is probably the biggest favour you can do yourself if you want to achieve your dreams. It's the mindset that will let you really push the boundaries of your ideas and take them and you to the next level. Unlike the negative Nancy's I was talking about earlier, don't judge your experiences in terms of failures or successes. Recognise that everything your experience in life can help you to grow. Sure, there might be challenges and obstacles along the way, but if you frame everything in a positive light, you can use these experiences to enhance your life. And remember that failure is the prerequisite to growth. But if you look at it as a failure instead of an opportunity to learn, you are fixing your mindset. So people who have a growth mindset push themselves and go for it. They're not worried about making a mistake and looking stupid. They're constantly growing and challenging themselves. A growth mindset means that you believe that you can develop your talents and abilities over time, either through experience or by learning from others or your mistakes. It's easy to see why. It's those who have this mindset that are the ones who succeed in life. These are the people who don't give up at the first hurdle and who look for the opportunity in every situation. If you don't have a growth mindset, then you probably have a fixed one. Someone with a fixed mindset believes that they only have a certain amount of intelligence, talents and abilities. They are fixed traits that can't be changed. You can imagine how limiting that mindset is. People with a mindset that is fixed don't push themselves or try to overcome things that are in their way. And ultimately, this will stop them being able to reach their goals and achieve new things. It's a choice, remember that. Number 2, time to get out of your comfort zone. Being in our comfort zone is, well, pretty comfortable. That's why we call it a comfort zone. But we all know what happens when we become too comfortable. We get lazy and lethargic and we don't do anything. So doing something that is out of our comfort zone will stop us ending up with a rigid, fixed mindset. Our minds will become more nimble and we'll be able to reach new heights of success. Not taking risks halts our progress, and eventually all that ambition and those dreams will fizzle out into nothing. The main reason that people won't get out of their comfort zones or push themselves is because they're scared of making mistakes and ruining their image. And as a result, they just end up stuck in one spot instead of taking a chance and progressing. Remember what I said, if you don't push yourselves and find out that failure is just a prerequisite to growth. Number 3, embrace your mistakes. Getting out of your comfort zone and taking risks goes hand in hand with making mistakes. It's going to happen. The key to surviving them is to use your growth mindset to see blunders and mess ups as jumping points to new opportunities or a different direction, rather than as a stumbling block or as a disaster. Don't hide from your mistake or make excuses. Embrace them for what they are, a chance to learn from the experience and go forward. Being a doom monger and going all woe is me isn't going to help you achieve anything. So don't wallow in set yourself a new target and goal and keep moving on. Number 4, keep thirsting for more. Learning should be something that we never stop doing. It should be the thirst that cannot be quenched. And whatever our level of education, there is always more to learn. One of the keys to staying in a growth mindset is staying curious. As soon as we stop trying to find out more stuff, we just stop. Full stop. That's it. In order to grow our businesses, our relationships, or as people, we have to constantly be striving to discover what we are capable of. Nothing is out of our reach if we keep learning and reaching to achieve our goals and dreams. Having a fixed mindset will keep us fixed in one place, not believing that we are capable of progressing because we think that our abilities are limited, and that includes our abilities to learn more. Number 5, be happy for other people. Now that might feel a bit strange, but negative people are just the sort to not be happy for others. In fact, they probably feel bitter and resentful of those who have achieved success, or even jealous. They might feel that success isn't deserved. Why are others doing it when I'm not? And that type of mindset, that is fixed. Celebrating the successes of other people will help you to feel gratitude of your own accomplishments. Being upset about someone else's successes will ultimately lead you to being unable to achieve any of your own. Other people succeeding should inspire you and spur you on. What can you learn from their success? Has it taught you to do things differently, or given you ideas how you can succeed yourself? Learn lessons, keep a growth mindset, and take positive steps to achieve your own goals. Number 6, feed the positive. It's important to fuel our minds with positive messages and information every day in order to keep negativity at bay. It's said that we reflect the characteristics of the people we surround ourselves with. So start hanging out with positive influences. You know, Stephen Covey, I think, said it was, you will become the average of the 5 people that you spend your time with. So start looking for different people. Distance yourself from negative people, especially those who put you down or who don't celebrate your achievements. If you're constantly hearing negative messages from those around you, they will pervade your mind, and you'll soon find yourself believing those messages and spiraling into negativity yourself. To keep a growth mindset, you need to spend your time with like-minded, positive people who will also feed your positivity. Number 7, healthy body, healthy mind. Obvious, you might say. But don't underestimate the power of having a healthy body and what it can do on having a healthy mind, and vice versa. Staying fit and healthy will give you energy and a zest for life. You'll find your mind and body are flooded with feel-good hormones, and your creativity and positivity to be fueled. This will give you motivation to achieve your goals. Which leads us to number 8, stay high energy. Choose your energy level. Now that might come as a shock to you, but if you'd like to know more, contact me and I'm pretty sure I can help you. When our energy is low, our enthusiasm and positivity soon follow suit, allowing negativity to creep in and take hold. Before you know it, that growth mindset is up and left along with your motivation. So you must stay high energy. When we're feeling negative, we stop attracting positive things into our lives. People, opportunities and ideas. Energy and momentum are particularly important in business, enabling us to feel driven enough to get through each task. Your mindset can help you achieve as long as it's the right mindset, a growth mindset. Think positive in order to attract positivity and get rid of any negative influences in your life that are holding you back from achieving your goals. Come on, do it now. And if you've enjoyed this video, please watch the next video just here, or subscribe to my YouTube channel just here.